Let's get some more practice with graphing linear equations. Now, in the last example, you found the x and y intercept to graph an equation. We're going to do that again. And the reason that's such a great method for equations like these is because they're in what's called standard form, where the x term and the y term are on the same side of the equation with a constant or a plain number on the other side. And when you do find an equation in that shape, that form, first of all, it's called a linear equation. Its graph will be a straight line. And secondly, this finding the intercept method is the best way to graph it. There are other ways, but this is the best way. So let's get some practice again. Remember how we started? We divided our paper in half. Let's label this half x-intercept and this half y-intercept. Intercept. Oops, I'm gonna goof up on that spelling. Alright, so remember what we do? To find the x-intercept, we make y0. To find the y-intercept, we make x0. So here we go. Y equals 0 for the x-intercept. What that means is you're being told to put a 0 in where y is and solve for x. So negative 2x plus 3 pocket equals 12. What goes in the pocket? Of course, it's 0. Now, remember the cover-up idea? That term is just going to be 0. You can just cover it up and write the mini equation, negative 2x equals 12, because I'm too lazy to write down the answer to this part, which is 0. Negative 2x equals 12. Alright, we just have one thing to do to solve this. I need to undo the multiply the x by negative 2 with divide by negative 2 on both sides. Don't forget those negative signs on numbers that are the coefficient of a variable when you're dividing. Alright, I do get 1x here. Too lazy to write down the 1. And on this side, 12 divided by negative 2 is negative 6. Alright, our x-intercept then is an x value of negative 6 in the coordinate pair. And what's y? You didn't forget, did you? It's always 0 for an x-intercept. X, y. Alright, y-intercept. Go ahead and see if you can do the y-intercept all by yourself. You've got 3 examples basically. Go back and look at this one for specifically how to find the y-intercept, and then tune back in to check your answer.